Today I'd like to talk to you about GNUS stock. I just learned about this stock today, and I looked at the explosive trajectory that it was taking, and I couldn't help but buy some shares and then sell them later in the day for a 40% profit. Now, 40% profit in one day sounds like a great thing. It sounds amazing, but for the people that have been holding this since May, and taking into account the after hours current price, they would have made 2,913% profit. That is an amazing feat for anybody who could do that. And kudos to anybody who was holding GNUS stock as of early May. It went from 30 cents per share to currently trading at $8.74 per share in after hours trading today. And so I'd like to talk about this company behind the share, because ultimately a share price is one thing, but the company behind it is another. And when you invest, you'd like to know whether the company behind it is sustainable. First off, the company looks like it's been on the market since 2003. So that gives it a good, credible history of it being a company and not a short-term scam, which is excellent. Going through and looking at their content, they actually do have a few shows, and I'm going to actually go into the statistics behind the popularity of these shows in just a moment. Secret Millionaires Club and Llama Llama Rainbow. All right, so here's a Google Trends for the Secret Millionaires Club show, and as you can see on this screen here, I'm looking at Google Trends. From May 31st to June 6th, the popularity of this has actually risen quite a bit. And the encouraging fact of that, to me, and in this not being just investors looking for this, is look at right here, the search index interest has been Nebraska. And as you all know, that's where Warren Buffett is from. So people from Nebraska have a greater interest in this show. Makes sense. It's not all in New York, which is good. So let's move on to their other shows and their Google Trends information on those. All right, so this is the Google Trends results for Llama Llama Rainbow, a show I've never heard anything about, but apparently it's gaining traction in California and Texas. So again, there's virtually no interest from New York. Good sign, meaning this is not all just Wall Street investors looking at it. But as you can see, the estimated popularity in this May 31st to June 6th timeframe has gone up to 100. So definitely gaining more interest, which is a good sign for GNUS. You know, it's probably worth taking a look at. Now let's just go to the. Let's just go and take a look real quick at their stock price. Year to date, it's pretty much been trading in penny territory for a long time, 30 cents or so. If we go into the month here, it starts picking up around early May, and it actually doubles, goes to 60 cents per share. And then right around June, the beginning of June, just a few days ago, it skyrockets. It goes from $2 all the way to $7.93. So if you were holding this when it was May 4th, this was 30 cents, 2,913% return on your investment. Can you believe that? 2,913% return on your investment. This is taking after hours prices into account. That is amazing, folks. So generally stay away from penny stocks, but in this case, whoever had the guts to hold this stock at the beginning of May, when it was trading at 30 something cents per share, has made a killing. Like, if you think about it, so if you only had $1,000 in these shares, you would now be a millionaire. You'd have $3 million from your $1,000 investment. I'm sorry for these really ugly ads here. Let me put my face over here. But anyways, I just wanted to talk about GNUS and what their offerings are. They have a few shows, and they're gaining popularity, and they have a deal in the works to work with Mattel to create toys to be sold at Walmart. And also, I think there's speculation that since Netflix is buying Cocomelon to put on their platform, which is a kids show, there may be other platforms that will buy out GNUS brands. Maybe Netflix itself, maybe Amazon Prime, maybe Apple TV. You never know. But the market cap is currently at $605 million. That's important because that if the company is worth more than $600 million, then the stock price should go up higher than this. If the company is worth less than that, it should go below that. I'm not going to say whether it's worth more or less at this point because I deal with fundamental stocks when I make recommendations, but I did want to put this out there because this has been an amazing ride for the people who have this stock. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Adam from thehighestreturn.com. Go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. Let me know if you have any recommendations on other stocks you want to review, and I will do that. You have a great day, everyone. To get the latest news directly from me, go ahead and go to my website at thehighestreturn.com. Go over here to subscribe to our newsletter and put your email address in there and press subscribe. I guarantee you'll get whatever I put on the website in your email unless it's blocked or filtered by spam or my website doesn't work. Thank you.